In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize charts and candles in the Exness web terminal. We'll guide you through each step to ensure you have the tools at your disposal to make your trading experience visually intuitive and personalized to your preferences. First, let's navigate to your Exness web terminal by logging in through your preferred internet browser. Once you've successfully accessed the terminal, you'll notice the interface is neatly organized, featuring the Market Watch, a chart window, and a toolbox, each element designed to help you keep track of your trading instruments and activities. Now, to customize a chart, you need to open the chart for the specific financial instrument you're interested in. You can easily do this by selecting the instrument directly from the Market Watch area. Alternatively, if you prefer or can't find the instrument at first glance, use the plus icon located just above the chart area. This handy feature allows you to search and select the symbol you want to analyze. With your chart open, the next step is to locate the chart settings icon. This is typically represented by a gear symbol, or you might find it under the broader Settings menu within the chart toolbar. Clicking on this will reveal a suite of customizable options tailored to enhance your viewing experience. Here, you have the ability to change the chart type. Whether you prefer the simplicity of candlesticks, the straightforwardness of bars, or the clarity of a line chart, the choice is yours. Furthermore, you can adjust the time frame to suit your trading style. Whether you need the precision of a 1-minute chart or a broader perspective with daily data, the Exness web terminal supports a wide array of intervals, including 5-minute, 1-hour, and 1-day options. Moving on to chart appearance, this is where you can let your personal aesthetics shine through. Tweak the colors, modify the background, and select whether your price source displays as bid or ask, depending on your strategic preference. Additionally, the platform allows you to show or hide certain elements, such as grid lines, the ask line, trading volume, various indicators, and even overlays of economic calendar events, offering a clean and tailored visual layout. For those keen on adjusting candlestick colors specifically, dive into the Appearance or Color Scheme settings, or look for an option labeled Color Template. Here, you might have the opportunity to switch between predefined light or dark themes, or, for a more custom approach, adjust the colors for bullish and bearish candles to better match your visual preferences or differentiate them clearly. And that wraps up our tutorial. By following these steps, you can effectively customize your charts and candles within the Exness web terminal, tailoring your trading setup to fit your unique needs and preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!